right, guys, let's see what we got here. Ah! Let's crack her open, Juan. Let's see what she's got in there. All right, fellas, let's see what the box says. Make 1,000. That's how you make 1,000. Sup, fellas? Let's get into it, man. God, I've been waiting for this for so long. Let's get it cracked open, man. So, you guys, this kit right here that we're about to unbox for you guys, I don't think anybody's ever seen it unboxed or on a car. I've seen Fox Body FX at SEMA 2024 last year. He posted up a video of this stuff, but I haven't seen a video on it on YouTube, Instagram, anywhere of it running. So we are the first, fellas, and we asked Walt, our guy over there at ProCharger, what's up, dude? Are we, one of the first to run this thing? And he's like, yeah, you guys are one of the first, and you're gonna be the first with the video on it. So yep, let's get it unboxed, guys. I'm so anxious to open it. Yeah, let's take a look together, guys, and see what it looks like. My boy, just taking off. My guy just dropped off. The Eagle has landed, man. Let's do this. But quick little before we get started on opening it, let's just take a peek and see what it's going in, guys, because you guys are in for a treat. Look at this bad boy right here. Powder coated motor, everything is cherry on it. Full AC, everything was working on it. Cruise this thing thousands of miles now. Hit the shows all summer. And this time we do an upgrade, fellas. Full maximum motorsport, K-member, everything in there. So this car is equipped well, and it's a drop. My wife's 1990 triple black. We bought it back in COVID, and just been doing work on it ever since. So super clean car, super straight. First drop I ever had. I'm not typically a drop guy, but this one I got, man, is super clean, and yeah, man, I can't wait to hear this thing with that old school whine and just blow off valve, ProCharger. So let's crack this open, guys. Come on, let's go. All right, guys, let's see what we got here. Ah! Let's crack her open, Juan. Let's see what she's got in there. All right, fellas. Let's see what the box says. ProCharger. Let's get a knife. All right, fellas. Let's crack into here. I don't know if anybody's ever seen one of these things on the fucking on the internet yet. So we might be the first to all take a look. Front row seat, guys. Let's see what ProCharger has to send us. Alright. See what we got in here. First, start laying all these parts. We got some belts. Looks like a drive belt. Looks like the blower belt. And then what we got in here? Pulley bag. We got more space? Yeah. This is a lot of stuff. Alright, what do we got in here? Looks like we got a crankshaft.
Oh shit.
Pulley. Damn, look at that, guys. Alright, we got the main brackets. Let's check it out, guys. This is like an upper pulley for the supercharger. Oh shit. Man, that looks good, but guess what? I'm supposed to get all this powder coated, but it looks pretty fucking good, man. This is a cover for a pulley, it looks like. All the hardware. Alright, I might leave this all in a bag. This is gonna go like this. What else we got in here? Juan? We got some oil. Hopefully it comes no, I don't know if it comes pre-filled. Accessory drive water pump pulley. Oh man, look at all this. We got brackets. Alright, so what do we got? Looks like some sort of mounting solid bracket. Oh man, look at this tensioner setup. Wow. You see the machine working there? That's freaking beefy, guys. Damn, look at that. What do you guys think? Should we go black? Black or what?
They're black, bro.
This thing black? Look how solid this shit is. Good job, ProCharger. You guys did your R&D, I can see, because it's no cheap little piece. It's solid. This is the air filter box. Supercharger oil pack 3-pack. Huh. Well, what's this oil for? Yeah, it's the same. Got 4 bottles of oil. Cool. Alright, what do we got over here? You guys, is this the big Mama Jamma? Woo! This is it. We got some literature. I need a banner. How do we undress this girl? Let's see this go. Oh, you know we gotta put that on. Damn. Oh man, look at that, dude. Polished. There it is, guys. Yee! Look at that billet wheel. Polished. Alright guys, so this kit right here is the D1SC. They got the P1SC set up, but we got the D1SC. It's a little bit, if you were to compare it to a Vortec, it's like getting a T trim instead of an S trim. So this one's looking great, guys. So this is the base kit that comes with. I got the accessories, the AC pump and the power steering pump on the way. So that will be on the way. And then we got one more thing for you. Show you guys. This is gonna be the cherry on top. Intercool, baby. So not only are we going supercharged, but we going intercooled. And so the only thing about this kit is that we have to make our own custom piping. So I got experience with these with the On3, mounting them inside and custom making some piping, guys. So you guys have it. D1SC. Oh yeah, baby. Alright guys, so let me know what you think. D1SC blower, a whole new front drive accessory kit from ProCharger. I dropped in some photos on the internet so you guys can see how it's gonna look, but let me see if they got a little bit of literature in here. We're definitely gonna need instructions. There you go. So it's mounts on the passenger side. AC, power steering, alternator, water pump crank. Wow, let's see these instructions. That looks nice. Alright guys, well this is just an unboxing so we can all take a look at this, but I'm pretty sure these instructions are going to make everything pretty straightforward. and uses an SD7 AC compressor and a GM Type 2 power steering pump. So it's all in modern stuff, like AC and power steering, so you won't get that Ford whine. And yeah, guys, I'm excited about that. Been waiting all year for it. Oh, hold on. Yeah. There it goes. There's this setup that's universal. But we got a Fox body setup, so. Alright, guys. Hope you like it. Tell me what you think. Alright, fellas, we're unboxing these pulleys, and wow, I'm impressed with this ProCharger setup. Let's see what that is. It says accessory drive crank. Yeah, look how nice that is. That looks solid. ProCharger makes some nice stuff, dude. Holes all chamfered out. Look at that power steering pulley. Alright, guys, this is the stuff I'm gonna go get powder coated by R&R Wraps, my buddy, and I'll get back with you guys on the install. Excited. Last time you're gonna hear it, no blower. Alright, fellas, well, after getting home from work and thinking about that kit the whole way home and just talking to my buddies about it, I'm just really impressed with this ProCharger kit. I've installed almost every single supercharger kit that's out there, you know, from Paxton to Whipple, Vortec, ProCharger. I've even done like SPT blowers, rebuilt them. I've done it all, guys, and just the quality of the kit has really impressed me, and all the hardware, just grade A, and man, I can't wait to get it on. So first thing in the AM, I'm meeting up with Ricardo, R&R Wraps, and powder coating it black, guys. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna do a little series of this because I researched this setup and build and front end drive from ProCharger. I couldn't find it anywhere on the internet, guys. So I'm just hoping somebody will see it and maybe want to buy it and get some info on it. And yeah, man, I'll make some more videos. I'll make an install more detailed, not a complete install video, but I've already been reading through the instructions, so I'll get like a good head on it. You know, I'll know what I have to do, and then I'll get on the car and get it on the lift, and we'll start working on it, guys. So look out for the next video. I'll definitely post it up for you guys. So I hope you guys liked this video. I was glad to make a video, and hopefully everybody gets to see this and see the new setup from ProCharger. All right, take it easy, y'all. See you later, fellas.